Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Satisure Wireless Doorbell set with 4 receivers. It's the door Chime kit with 400 meters, there's a 1,300 feet long range. And we have 2 push buttons with IP55 waterproof rating and 58 melodies. We have 5 volume levels, flashlight function, and it comes in a white finish. Because of the long range, you have really free choose where you can install this. The Satisure Wireless Doorbell kit has a long distance up to 400 meters. This is over 1,300 feet in open space, so that we can put the doorbell downstairs and the door chime in many rooms at home. No prop, and we have a really easy installation. The wireless doorbell without any cables are using transmitter technology and does not need any cable, and that means easy plug in the receivers and install the transmitters, which the battery are included by double-adhesive tape or screw. The installation can be completed in minutes and without the hassle of complication and make wiring assembly. We have 58 melodies. This door chimes with different sounds that we can easily select by pressing the music button on the receiver itself. 5 adjustable volumes, levels from 25 decibel up to 115 decibel, and on top of flashing LED option for the elderly and the hearing impaired. It is a weatherproof doorbell. That means IP55 rated transmitter with water ring structure. This could withstand touch weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Is no prop for it. We have in the box are 2 battery operated transmitter and 4 plug-in receivers. We have screws, expansion bolt, adhesive stickers, mini screwdriver, and mounting bracket for the transmitter. You see, everything is in the box. What we need for a new wireless doorbell set assembling. IP55, 58 melodies, LED indicator, and the possibility up to 150 decibel of volume. The long range transmitter, IP55 waterproof and robust material transmitter. The transmitter has a high waterproof rating, so it is against water and can withstand outdoor weather. We have here the receiver working voltage is AC 100 volt up to 240. That means you can use it in the entire world. The sound pressure levels are more than 110 decibel. The receiver AC power consumption is lower than 0.25 watt in standby mode. The working frequency is 433.92 megahertz. The transmitter battery type is an 823 12-volt alkaline battery. I think once a year you have to replace it. The maybe if you not often use it, maybe every 2 or 3 years possible. The battery lifetime means is from 1 up to 3 years. The operation temperature -20 degrees Celsius up to 60. So you can use it the whole year over easily. We use the plug-in receiver. We have an AC plug, we have a speaker on it, we have a volume button, and the volume control button and a music button. The music button is to choose between all melodies, and the volume button is to choose how much decibel you like to have the ring power. The transmitter or the push button comes with a button and an LED indicator. And yeah, that it is, because it's only the switch which we have to push. We plug the receiver into the outlet. This receiver will perform better if kept away from other electrical equipment, for example, televisions or micro ovens. We program the transmitter after that. We peel off the insulating sheet. We push the button to ensure the transmitter is working fine. The button is flashing blue if we push on it. Then we can make a sound volume control. We press the volume control button on the receiver to cycle through the 5 volume levels, including mute mode. We're pairing a transmitter to a receiver. We have to choose our favorite ringtone before pairing. We long press the volume button for 5 seconds on until a ding-dong is heard and the LED indicator starts flashing to enter into pairing mode. Of course, if they comes to you, they are already paired. We press the transmitter button to send a signal to the receiver when the pairing mode is enabled. After this, the ringtone sync is in progress and successfully, of course. The receiver will play the selected ringtone automatically. Then, there are 58 ringtones to choose from. We press the button or down button to choose our favorite ringtone. The receiver playing is this song as selected. Maybe it's our favorite song and we can hear it while anybody is ring on the system. Then the ringtone can be set different for transmitters. That means you can choose another sound on each transmitter. Really cool. We have flashing LED indicator. The flashing light indicator that gives us a visual form of notification. This is an excellent feature for the hearing impaired. And we have 300-meter wireless working range. That's really cool. This doorbell has a long range to choose it. And we can choose from a lot of melodies and volume control easily. We can easily change the battery by open the case. Then we have to replace the battery, job's done. We can attach it to the wall. The press ringtone device. That means not the receiver, the transmitter can be installed by using double-adhesive tape. I think this is the best version because you does not need to drill holes. But you can also use screws and anchors to attach it to the wall. That's a good feature. Maybe if you are going to assemble it in an area where it's no possibility to use a double-sided adhesive tape. But I think this is my favorite, double-sided adhesive tape. And you can use it with this Satisure Wireless doorbell set with 4 receivers and door chime kit with a long range and easygoing installation and 58 melodies and 5 volume levels and a flashlight option to replace your standard wire doorbell at home. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.